it's me again, Teacher Nika. So today's video, I share you how to remove watermark and Kinemaster. So let's start the tutorial. First step, go to Kinemaster apps. This one guys yung ginagamit ko before, kaya lang meron siyang watermark. So ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo paano natin ma-remove ang watermark sa Kinemaster na hindi na kailangan magbayad. Yeah, if you can see, may nakalagay dyan na to remove watermark, you need to pay 195 pesos monthly. So, syempre gusto natin ng free na hindi na kailangan magbayad. So, ito yung ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon without watermark. Dun sa taas kung makikita nyo, ito yung tinatawag nating watermark. So, paano natin i-remove ngayon yan? Without any single cents na ibabayad. So, ito naman yung mga effects na pwede natin gamitin. Some of these are free, but mas marami dyan is need to pay or kailangan mo magbayad to avail yung mga effects dyan. Then, uninstall muna natin si Kinemaster. Ayan, uninstall na natin yung Kinemaster. And then after that, go to Google search. Ayan, go to Google search. Then after that, type AC Market. Yan, AC Market Net. Yung pinakauna na yan, yung AC Market Crack Apps. Click lang natin. Then, this is the AC Market. Then, download now. Yan, download. Then, after that, hintayin lang natin siya hanggang sa ma-download siya, fully download 100%. Ayan. So, if you can see, nagda-download na siya. So, this one, AC Market, settings, unknown sources, okay lang natin. Then, install. Hintayin lang natin siya guys medyo mabagal lang internet. Then, app installed finally, then done. So, this is the AC Market apps. Ayan. So, after nyan, okay lang natin. And then, allow lang natin guys And then, i-type lang natin Kinemaster video. Yan. Yan, Kinemaster Video Editor, then click natin. Yan, sa pinakababa na may arrow pababa, nakakulay blue, click lang natin, then free download. Yan, medyo mahina lang guys, no? Hintayin lang natin. Then after that, okay. Then, finally, settings. Unknown sources, okay lang natin siya. And then, install. So, meron na tayong Kinemaster. Ayan, nag-i-install na yung Kinemaster using AC Market. Yung Kinemaster, guys, in-install natin siya sa AC Market. And then, tingnan natin kung meron pa siyang watermark. Check natin, guys, Okay, kung makikita nyo guys, wala na siyang watermark. Ayan, tingnan natin. This one, kung makikita nyo siya dyan, wala na siyang watermark. Kasi kanina meron siyang watermark. So, ngayon, wala na siyang watermark. Basta tandaan lang natin guys, sa AC Market, doon tayo magda-download ng Kinemaster without watermark. And then, this one naman, yung kaninang pinuntahan natin kanina, yung may mga premium, may mga effects, pwede natin siyang gamitin for free. Okay, guys? So, I hope you enjoy and you learn in this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.